Forget about index and match to look up values in your data. Here's an alternative that no one ever showed you. Imagine the following scenario. You have products listed in one column and earnings in some other. Now, you want to find the intersection of a specific row and column, say the earnings for apples in 2022. All you need to do is to select your data range and use the shortcut control plus Shift plus F3. This allows us to quickly create named ranges for our top row and left column. All right. Now here it is where it gets interesting. If we now want to look up, let's say, the value for apples in 2021, we can simply write equal apples, then insert a space and then write YE 2021. I mean, how easy was that? Now here's why this works. In Excel, the space operator is used to find the intersection of two ranges, whether those ranges are named or not. For instance, you could also use the space operator to find the intersection of non-named ranges like A3, C3, and B1, B3, and Excel will return the value at the intersection located in B3. Now, when combined with named ranges, this becomes incredibly powerful. You can do more than just find simple intersections. You can also leverage this to sum ranges of cells easily. Notice here the space used to specify the intersection. And also, you can even sum non-contiguous cells. Simply specify the products first, then use the space to define the intersection and finally insert the years.